In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mso.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Open a browser. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Step 2. Open a browser again and search for the missing DLL and just put download, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, you have to click on the folder icon. Then right-click on the folder, select Extract All and click on Extract. Then right-click on the DLL file, select Copy, and go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, then right-click and then select Paste. Okay, paste that here. And once done, close all the windows, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. You can also perform the System File Checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane and simply type sfc space / scan now. Scan now, just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed, and once completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.